How to make moist chicken. Ingredients to add.
In this video, we'll learn about the ingredients you can add to your chicken dish to make it more moist and tender. Moisture can make all the difference in a delicious chicken dish, so let's dive right in.
What are some common ingredients to add for moist chicken?
Marinate the chicken in yogurt, buttermilk, or a citrus-based marinade to help tenderize the meat and lock in moisture. Adding fat to the chicken, such as olive oil, butter, or mayonnaise, can help keep it moist during cooking. Seasonings like salt, pepper, and herbs can not only add flavor but also help retain moisture in the chicken.
How can I use brining to make my chicken moist?
Brining involves soaking the chicken in a solution of salt and water. The salt helps the chicken to retain moisture during cooking. You can also add flavorings like herbs, spices, or sugar to the brine for an extra burst of flavor.
How can I use poaching or braising to keep my chicken moist?
Poaching involves cooking the chicken in a simmering liquid, such as chicken broth or water with aromatics. Braising involves searing the chicken and then cooking it in a flavorful liquid, like wine, stock, or tomato sauce. Both methods are great for maintaining the moisture of the chicken, as well as imparting delicious flavors.
What other tips can I use to ensure moist chicken?
Pound the chicken to an even thickness to ensure even cooking and prevent drying out. Let the chicken rest for a few minutes after cooking to allow the juices to redistribute, making the meat more tender and moist. Use a meat thermometer to avoid overcooking the chicken, which can lead to dryness. There you have it. By using these ingredients and techniques, you can easily make your chicken dishes moist, tender, and delicious. Enjoy!